Hey, it's me again. It is 5:30 in the afternoon, and it's coming down still. We got about 8 inches right now. Here, I cleared off my car so you could see how much was on it. This is where my car starts. That is a bunch of snow cover on it. Still covered in ice and I can't open the door. God. A little ringer on my trash can. Oh, I thought this was pretty cool. See this little bump in the ground right here? It's not very tall at all. Watch. It was basketball. Got snow all over my camera. Let's hope that doesn't mess it up. But yeah, basketball laying in the yard, you could hardly even see it. That's pretty ridiculous. I think this is the most snow we've ever had in my lifetime here, at least. But anyway, I guess that's all for now. Might come back out tomorrow morning and see how much more it snowed. Still supposed to get a couple more inches. See y'all later.